In a previous video that I made about how I take care of my birds in the wintertime and me refilling my bird feeders in the wintertime, and someone made the suggestion that I add cracked corn to my bird seed mix. And I have done that, and it has been a really big hit. Yes, of course, the squirrels are going to come, but again, sacrifices to be made because I can't stop them. This was very good suggestion. I really appreciate that. If you have any suggestions for me, like the cracked corn suggestion, please let me know. I am willing to experiment with anything and let you know how it goes.